Hello, car detailers. How often did you notice that your car's paint looks clean after a car wash? But wheels are like you have not started washing them yet. They are painted like the rest of your car, and you wash them with the same car shampoo as body paint. But wheels still have tons of black contaminants? How is that possible? You are definitely missing something about wheel care, and we will solve it. Get ready, and let's start!
Welcome to Hold My Beer Detailing.
So, wheel cleaning. We start every wheel detailing by identifying what wheel type you have. There are powder-coated, clear-coated, anodized, chrome-plated, and bare-polished wheels. I believe that most of you have powder-coated wheels or clear-coated. So in this video, I will concentrate on taking care of these types of wheels. Powder coating on wheels may look the same as your car paint, however. It's a completely different paint type. Your main body paint is applied by robots in special paint tubs in several layers and then dried. Powder paint is applied dry and looks matte. Then it's placed into special oven and baked at 390 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius. Powder paint will cure only at high temperatures, which makes it more durable and, at the same time, suitable for wheels. Keep in mind that your wheels are working at much harder conditions than your body paint and accumulate way more complicated to remove contaminants. So don't be surprised that your body paint shampoo did not remove any contaminants from your wheels. Now you understand that our first step in wheel care is choosing a safe and effective wheel cleaner. By the way, right now, MEGUIAR'S is offering their wheel cleaners with an insane 67% discount. So it's the best time for you to get high-quality wheel cleaners for a very tempting price. I share links with discounted products in the description below. I'm sure you will find something suitable for you and finally dissolve all the brake dust on your wheels. Even though wheel cleaner is a crucial part of wheel care, it's not a magical product that will remove all the brake dust and other contaminants after you spray it 2 times. Especially if you did not make proper wheel care for a long time, or you are using low-quality brake pads that are turning your wheels dark black in a week. To help your wheel cleaner dissolve contaminants and make the cleaning more effective, we should use wheel brushes. However, if you search for wheel brushes, you will find this, and even this. No, it's not for the toilet. And all these are considered wheel brushes. Which one do you need? I will give you a tiny spoiler. You need each of these brushes. Let's go through each one. The first one is your main wheel brush. We are using it to brush the front side of your wheel. It should be wide and has a lot of soft bristles. Except for wheel cleaning, you can use such a brush to clean arch liners, unpainted trim, or engine bay. The second brush is a wheel spoke brush. Such brush is used to clean between and behind wheel spokes. As well, it's very handy in brushing the inner side of your rims. Usually such brushes come in a set, which includes small, medium, and big brushes. This allows you to use them on different wheels and be low to reach even tiny and hard-reaching areas. When choosing such brushes, make sure it has a lot of soft bristles. The base of the brush is rubberized and soft plastic to avoid scratching or harming your rims. Last but not least is the tire brush. I don't think anyone will have a problem with it, as it's a brush we are using to clean tires. They are usually cheap, and as such, brush should be only chemical resistant and have hard bristles, which is not the most expensive production process. Some people may say that you can save money here and use your main wheel brush to clean your tires as well, but trust me, it isn't worth it. Your main brush is too soft to clean rubber, so don't ruin your more expensive brush to save several bucks and keep your tires still dirty. Now it's time to follow our golden detailing rule. Clean it, then protect it. And at this point, our wheels should be already clean and dry, so we can protect them. In terms of painted rims protection, we have only 2 options. It's a wax coating or ceramic coating. And when for car paint, I believe wax coating is a better option for most car owners. You can check my video where we compare wax and ceramic coating. For wheel protection, I would recommend going with ceramic coating. The reason is the same. Wheels are working in much harder conditions than car paint. I don't think there is a wax that can last long, considering how much dirt, heat, and heated iron particles it will face after first 20 minutes of driving. Moreover, wheels' surface is small, so even without experience, just following the instructions, every car owner will be able to apply wheels ceramic coating. Even if you make some mistakes, and it will not look perfect, nobody will pay attention to it as it happened on wheels. While it's a completely different story when you make such a mistake, let's say, on your hood or fenders. So if you need to protect your wheels, choose ceramic coating, or in the worst case, use no protection coating. Just maintain your wheels regularly. The next part we should protect is tires, and here we use well-known Tire Shine. I would recommend this product as a mandatory one, as it's not only about your car looking cool. Tire Shine protects rubber from UV rays, iron particles, salt, and many other contaminants. So buy yourself a suitable Tire Shine and enjoy your cool-looking tire protection. So now, let's build a step-by-step plan. First, for more comfortable cleaning, prepare a bucket with clean water and throw in it all your brushes. If your rims are hot, rinse them with water so you will work with a cooled surface. Then, before washing the entire car, spray wheel cleaner on your wheels. The reason we wash wheels first is because the dirt that will splash from them will eventually lend on car paint. So if you will wash your car before wheel cleaning, you will need to wash it again after wheel cleaning. After spraying the wheel cleaner, let it work and dissolve following the instructions. Several minutes before rinsing, take your main brush and brush the front side of your wheel. Then take the wheel spoke brush and remove brake dust in between wheel spokes and on the inner side of your rim. Once you are done, bend the brush and scrub behind the spokes. And finally, take your tire brush and scrub your tires thoroughly. Now it's time for rinsing. Double check if you are satisfied with the results. In case you notice dirty areas, spray them with cleaner and brush again. Once your wheels are clean, let them dry and apply Tire Shine. That's it. Your wheels are clean. You may be a bit tired, but your car looks amazing, and you should be satisfied with your work. Until you realize you are left to clean another 3 wheels. These are all the suggestions you need to follow to keep your wheels clean and shiny. If you have something to add or ask, feel free to write a comment. I'm sure everyone who is watching this video will be glad to join the conversation. Thanks for watching and have a lovely detailing, folks.